sorry the Jeep's so nice and pretty. We were going to a car meet, and we'll be going to there later today, but Chris decided to help us out and be our guide for rifle. So where are we?
Right now we're at a place called the Res. It's a small place up behind the high school here. There's some small off-road trails, some little obstacles and stuff that we can play around on today.
Sweet. So what's this hill we're about to take?
This one here is called Roller Coaster Road. It actually goes up and over a little bit. It's called Roller Coaster Road because it's up and down. It's like a roller coaster.
Gotcha. All right, well, let's go for the adventure. Hey, Chris, so what's going on, man?
Not a lot.
I haven't seen your rig. Holy this is pretty... In the pictures, it doesn't do justice at all.
It does not.
No. So, you want to pop open this hood here?
Sure here.
What did he say this was?
It's the Vortec 4.2.
So it's essentially a Jeep in GM form.
It's what a Jeep wishes it could be.
So, and you said you're running how big of tire?
35-inch tires.
35-inch tires.
On a 17 wheel.
All right, cool. You got some, little bit of a...
Little trail damage.
Little trail damage.
That's from Moab, Canes Creek.
Nice. And he said independent front suspension?
Independent front, solid rear.
Oh, okay. So, the rear end, you have anything special about that?
Rear end, no, other than the Tahoe shocks.
Any locker or anything like that?
It's got a limited slip from the factory. Hasn't failed me since.
If it doesn't fail you, why replace it?
Oh yeah, I eventually plan on doing bigger axles on everything though.
Okay. Oh man, this thing is sweet.
We were going to put it to the test.
There's our next objective, this hill. What's that?
It's just your hook.
Oh.